Hello! In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to download and install Valorant on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. Step 1. Download Valorant Installer, the Solar Ace. Open your preferred web browser and search for Valorant. Click on the official result, playvalorant.com. Once you're on the website, add /download to the end of the URL and press enter. On the new page, click the download button to start downloading the installer file. Step 2. Install and set up the game. Once the installer is downloaded, run the file. Click Yes when asked to allow changes by Riot Games. If needed, click Advanced Options to change install location. Click Install to begin installation. Note game size is around 49.4 GB. After installation, sign in with your Riot account or create a new one. And that's it. Valorant is now ready to play on your PC. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.